In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Shopify using your PC. If you've decided to expand your online store and you're ready to take the next step, linking your custom domain is a crucial move. It enhances your brand's credibility and makes your store more memorable. Let me walk you through the process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify admin page. Ensure you're logged in and on the dashboard of your store. To begin, find the Settings option. It's typically on the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Click on it and this will open a menu with various settings that you can adjust. For the purpose of this tutorial, you want to click on Domains. Once you're in the Domain section, you'll see an option to connect an existing domain. Selecting this option is important because it allows Shopify to recognize your custom domain. Now you'll be prompted to enter the domain you own. Make sure you type it accurately. You don't want any misspellings here because it would prevent your domain from connecting properly. After you've entered your domain, click on Next. At this point, Shopify will guide you through updating your domain's DNS settings. These settings need to be modified with your domain registrar, which is the company from which you purchased your domain. This step is critical because it essentially tells the internet where your Shopify store can be found. If needed, you can find specific instructions for various registrars on Shopify support pages, which can be very helpful if you're unsure about how to update your DNS records. This usually involves changing the A record to point to Shopify's IP address and setting the C name to point to shops.myshopify.com. After updating the DNS records, return to Shopify and click on Verify. This process can take a few minutes to propagate depending on your registrar. You might have to refresh the page or wait a short period before Shopify confirms that your domain is linked. Once verified, you'll see an option to make this new domain your primary domain. This means that visitors to your store will see the custom domain instead of the default Shopify one, which typically ends in myshopify.com. It's a good idea to make this change if you're planning to use your custom domain primarily. And that's it! You've now successfully connected your domain to your Shopify store. By following these steps, you ensure that your site is more personalized and professional. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to consult Shopify's Help Center or leave a comment below. Happy selling!